Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have got another unboxing to be done today. From the box size, I guess you would already know which category from Hermes I purchased from, and it's kind of a thick box. So let me show you, other than this, what I got from my essay. I have got some samples for lipstick. It's the Rouge Exotic, the beige natural color. I think I would like this. Next one is the Rose Epic color. All of them, these two are kind of neutral color. I guess I would like them. This one I'm not sure, I will have to try it. So yeah, these are the samples I got. And I've also got some perfume samples. Let's see. So there are two today. Okay. The Jardin perfume. I think I will like this. And next one is it's the same perfume from the Jardin. I will use this tomorrow. Thank you so much, Essie. So here are the samples, and let's do the unboxing quickly. So here's the box. So normally how I do it is, if you would have already caught my earlier videos, I will randomly go into the store and see what I like and pick up. And today it happened to be another one of those days. Sometimes I do request pieces from my essay, so my essay will prepare for me prior to my arrival. But for this is one of the ad hoc purchase, but I have been I'm aware of this piece, but it's just that I never really purchased them. But today, as I go into the shop, I saw it again, and I thought, probably I should get this, you know. It's kind of cool. So take a look at this. Here is the dust bag. It's probably half the size of the Togo Sodi dust bag. Here's my bag. It's full black with the black color strap. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Hermes Videpoches. Please enlighten me on how to pronounce the name of this bag. I really like it, and this is the one of the casual bag that I have from Hermes. The other one I have, I'm not sure if I've unboxed that before. It's a size 32. I'll probably have to check my history. That's also another, it's prune color. That's another casual bag that I got from them. And this is another one, a new piece, and it's full black. I love it because it doesn't have the multicolor strap, and it's 100% black. Love this. The hardware is Palladium. The buttons to secure is also Palladium. Now let's take a look at the inside. As you can see, it can fit quite a lot, especially the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I have tested that. You can definitely fit that in. And I tested with long wallet. There are different long wallets, but for a long wallet of a size like this, about the width of an A4 size, wallet of that size, yes, you can fit inside the bag. And if you have a notebook and you couldn't fit it horizontally, please feel free to open up the flap, and you can fit your notebook all the way up here. So I thought, yeah, it's a pretty versatile bag in terms of the size. You can choose to either close it to make it smaller, or if you need the space, you just open it up and use it like this. Here's the strap, and you can still carry your items. The width of it is about 2.5 centimeter to 3 cm. At the back, you see the strap being connected, and it's dead here. You cannot remove the strap at all, and therefore I was thinking, as I use it casually, you know, sometimes if I run, exercise, and if I sweat, how am I supposed to cleanse the strap? So I've checked this with the SA, and my SA said that you have to send the entire bag for cleaning, which not only clean the strap, you also clean the exterior of the leather. I believe there is a price increase for bag cleaning service, so you might have to check that out in your country. Here's the inside of the bag. So you can see there is also a card slot over here at the back, and this card slot is kind of wide. You can probably fit like 6 cards inside one single card slot. Very nice leather smell. You can smell it, it's pretty sweet smelling. If you do see this in the retail store, grab one, try it out. I think you will love it. It is a unisex bag, male, female, anybody can wear it. So for me, I intend to wear a white shirt, black Bermudas, and pair along with this bag. Alternatively, a grey sweater to go with this bag. So it's a black color, full black bag, and I can use it in so many ways. And great for tour as well. You can definitely fit in your passport, your wallet, your e-ticket, and your lip balm, your lipstick. Look at the width. It's half of an A4 size. It's pretty good length, and the width, the depth of it is a very good depth as well, and it just goes on your body. Very neat looking. That's why I love it. Another ad hoc purchase of mine. There you go, guys. A quick unboxing. If you love this kind of unboxing video, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye, guys.